Hi everybody, my name's Dhiran Mistry and I work at the John Barrett Salon in Bergdorf Goodman. And today I'm with Cassie and we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts for curly hair. So as you can see, Cassie has a great head of curly hair, but in order to keep them, we don't want to play with them too much. So a massive don't would be not to play with them, not to brush them, and not to comb them. When your hair is wet, you want to be able to maintain as much curl and definition in the hair. So I recommend putting in some really good conditioner or some curl cream and leave it in. If you want to speed up the drying process, then you can use a diffuser. That will help enhance the curl and dry it a lot quicker than leaving it to dry naturally. When you sleep, that's another time where hair can get really messed up. So first major tip would be to help by using a silk pillowcase. A silk pillowcase will be less abrasive for the curls and sounds kind of disgusting, but it will absorb more of the sweat. The other thing you want to do whilst you're sleeping is maybe flip your head upside down and tie it up in a way that it doesn't mess up the curls too much. So what I'm going to do is flip Casey's head over and just grab the hair into a loose ponytail and just twist it like so. Grab a pin like this and just pop the pin in. This way, when you sleep, the only thing that's going to be touching the pillow will be the underneath parts of your hair. So this will stop it from getting too frizzy. This is a really effective way of keeping the curl. So the other thing that you shouldn't be doing every day is shampooing it. It's generally, depending on the hair type, if your hair is really fine, then grease is going to become visible on the roots. So you really want to wash it probably every 3, 4, 5 days most. The best thing to do whilst you're having a shower or washing is to wet it down and put some conditioner through it. But you do not need to shampoo it, because shampooing it will clean it out, take all the essential oils out, and ruin all the definition that you have.